A new day is here.
Good morning.
Wake up early.
Wake up, good morning. A brand new day is here. I open up my sleepy eyes and smile so bright and clear. Stretch my arms up in the air, stretch them left and right. Good morning world, good morning sun. Everything feels alive. Good morning, let's start the day just right. I get out of my cozy bed, I stand up nice and slow. I get out of my cozy bed, I stand up nice and slow. I fold my
keep my
blanket
bed
smooth
neat.
and neat, that's how good habits grow. Pillow here and blanket there, my room looks clean and bright. A clean room makes me happy, it feels so calm and right. I fold my blanket smooth
Clean
and
room
neat,
feels
that's
good.
how good habits grow. Pillow here and blanket there, my room looks clean and bright.
Good habits.
A clean room makes me happy, it feels so calm and right. Clean up, little by little, good habits shine and glow. I pick my toys up one by one and put them in their place. Cars and dolls and little balls
Toys go in
all
place.
smile back at my face. Clean hands, clean toys, clean space where I play. Clean habits help me feel good every single day. Clean habits help me feel good every single day.
This block goes in the box. All clean.
Brush my teeth up and down, round and round. Shiny teeth and healthy smile, look how happy I have found. Wash my face, wash my hands, splash, splash, cool and clean, fresh and nice from head to toe, the cleanest I have been. Brush my teeth up and down, round and round. Shiny
My
teeth
teeth
and
are
healthy
clean.
smile, look how happy I have found. Wash my face, wash my
Splash,
hands,
splash.
splash, splash, cool and clean, fresh and nice from head to toe, the cleanest I have been. Brush and wash,
Oh,
clean
clean and
is
fresh.
fun, clean
Now I
is
can
cool. Hands go up, touch the sky, bend down low. 1, 2, 3, stretch my
1, 2,
body
3.
nice and slow. Exercise is
Exercise
fun
is
for
fun.
me.
Exercise is
Strong body,
fun.
happy mind, I breathe in, I breathe out. Morning moves make me feel strong, I jump and turn about. Stretch and move, healthy kids are strong. Good morning sun up in the sky, good morning birds that fly.
Good morning,
morning flowers, trees and clouds as the day goes by. I smile wide and wave hello with a happy face. Good words make my morning bright, they fill my heart with grace. Good morning, kind words every day. Good morning, Mama, I smile and say. Good morning, Papa.
Good morning, my sweet boy.
They
Morning,
smile
buddy. How'd you
back
sleep?
and hold
Good.
my
I love
hand.
you.
My heart feels warm and new. Please and thank you, hello and bye. Magic words I know. Kind words make my world so bright. They help my goodness grow. Now I'm ready for the day with a smile so wide.
Nice.
Good habits walk along with me, always by my side. Learn and play and help and share. Be gentle, be kind, be smart. Good morning habits every day grow inside my heart. Good habits walk along with me, always by my side. Learn
Let's
and
learn.
play
ready.